Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 14T not receiving MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on app and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.